I'm going to review for you an incredible token that everybody's talking about right now. It's CUT, okay? CryptoUnity. It's fantastic, but before I get into disclaimer, I'm not financial advice, I'm just for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. So here it is, guys, CryptoUnity. Now, this is a crypto project that is blowing up, okay? I am going to talk about the pre-sale very, very soon because it is actually one of the most anticipated pre-sales I have ever seen, all right? It's a CEX that does not hold users' funds, which is fantastic. It's only got 1 day, 4 hours, 39 minutes left as I'm talking. I'm going to show you exactly how to buy it very, very soon. You can see how excited I am, but let me talk to you a bit about the project first before I get crazy, crazy excited, okay? Now, the problem is people are skeptical about centralized exchanges because they have the control of other users' funds. Here's the solution they found. And it's a real simple solution. Users' funds are safeguarded with the independent regulated custodian. That means as a crypto exchange, they take the security and privacy of the users actually very seriously, okay? Another problem was crypto world experts, newcomers and beginners trying to figure out everything out on their own. What did they do? They thought of a solution. All-in-one platform with beginner focus, user and experience. Their roadmap is inciting, okay? Exclusive airdrops in Q2 2023. There was launching of the new alpha version in the Q3. Q4 is the cold wallet development, and looking forward to Q1 2024 where they're launching the beta application version. The rest of it, okay, the NFT marketplace, physical exchange offers, the research is to be determined in the future, but they do see it coming around. Look at the partners they have, guys. This is mind-blowing. Lenovo, Ninja, CryptoJua, Celoso, Coinzilla, some of the biggest we've ever seen. It's on every single crypto news channel that you could think of, but I don't want to take any more time from you. I want you to click this button with me and buy some CUT right now at the lowest price, and I promise you this could be that moment. This could be that moment that people say, I wonder if I could bought Bitcoin at the start. This is it. Let's hit that buy now button together. Guys, while I do that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this, okay? This token has incredible utility on the Binance Smart Chain. Lower fees, tickets to education, and you can use it to research NFTs with. There's free cut tasks weekly with this, okay? There's airdrops all the time. Guys, I'm just going to go in here right now and register for an account to buy this. So guys, once you're verified, okay, and you've done your KYC, what you want to do is just purchase some CUT. So click the buy cut button. Okay, once you've done that, it's going to give you the option of crypto, PayPal, or bank. I'm going to choose crypto because that's what I want to go with. Choose either BUSD, ETH, or BNB. All right, I'm going with BUSD, and you put the amount of USD in that you would like to pay with. All right, that'll show you how much cut you're about to get. And then you need to connect your wallet. So if you want to connect MetaMask, click on MetaMask. Okay, I do recommend that, and accept the transaction on the right-hand side. Click next and connect, and this will actually connect your wallet ready for you to buy. Guys, it's super, super easy, all right? It's not complicated at all. And then you can get there and click buy CUT. All right, simple. Then you've connected it. It's going to show you the exact transaction. Then all you want to do is hit confirm. Once you've hit confirm, guys, you're going to buy that token. That token is going to be buyed on the CryptoUnity platform, all right? And you're going to own it. You'll see it pop up in your MetaMask as well. The exact amount. So here we go. You successfully completed your purchase and they've sent your purchase confirmed to your email address. So there you go, guys. That's how you buy it, all right? Super, super easy. Get yourself some CUT. Now, you can rate them of how you heard it to them, okay? I'm going to click how I heard it. If you want to do Instagram, it doesn't matter. There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor. Hit the links down below to get involved. Get some of that token for yourself because you never know what's going to happen. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you next time.